Hi, today we're going to talk about how to ask and say your mobile number in Chinese language. Remember, in our previous class, we discussed about how to count from 0 to 10 in Chinese language. So that means this is a very perfect video for our studies because we're going to talk more numbers today. Let's quickly start. Before that, let's quickly review how to count from 0 to 10 in Chinese language. Lane, 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十. Before we quickly start on how to ask about mobile numbers in Chinese language, there is one important thing I would like to note down here. Why asking about one in Chinese language? Remember, we said one in Chinese is pronounced as yi. But here, why talking about numbers or phone numbers in Chinese language? The one is no longer said as yi. It is now pronounced as yao. That is when asking only about phone numbers. But when you're talking about other things, normal numbers, you can use E. But when you want to talk about mobile numbers, you can use Yao. Yao. Now, asking about someone's mobile number or someone's phone number. One of the most commonly asked question is, what is your phone number or what is your mobile number? Remember what we said last time when we were talking about how to ask questions in Chinese language. We said that whenever whenever we want to ask questions in Chinese language, that we should change the question word because how we ask questions in English language is different from Chinese language. So changing that question word, what is your phone number, to your phone number is what? Your phone number is what? 五号，你的电话号码是什么 ？Now，你的电话号码 which is your phone number， 电话号码 is phone number， 是 is what 什么 ？But here, when we are talking about mobile number, we don't use 什么 as what here. We change that 什么 to 你的电话号码是多少？你的电话号码是多少 ？Giving us what is your phone number. That 多少 is how many. 你的电话号码是多少？多少 there means how many. So in literal translation, it's just like how many is your phone number or your phone number is how many. That is just it. Now, in response, if you want to say my phone number is or my mobile phone number is, we say 我的电话号码是我的 my phone number 我的电话号码 my phone number 是 Now before we answer that question, let me first of all show you two numbers in Chinese and how to say them. The first one is a Chinese number. We have 86 Let's practice once again. 86, which is a country code number. 8140 622 Now, the second number is a Nigerian number. Let's also practice with that. 234 814 06222893 Let's practice once again. 234 814 06222893 Now, let's respond to that question, which is my phone number is. We have 我的 电话号码是234-814-622-893. So you can practice this with your own phone number or with the numbers we've learned previously can help you to say any number you want to talk about in Chinese language. Although, as time goes on, we're going to talk more of numbers, higher numbers in Chinese language. Now, the next question is, what is the company phone number? What is the company phone number? If maybe you're looking for a job or you want to go at a particular company for something, so and you are asking what is the company's phone number? So remember to change the question word to the company phone number is what? Company phone number is what? Giving us 公司电话号码是多少？公司 which is company 电话号码 phone number 是多少 is how many? What is the company's phone number? In response, using that same formula, the company number is 公司电话号码是公司电话号码是 So let's practice it with the previous number we've learned. We have 公司电话号码是86-814-622-694. That is in response. So it may be another number. Another sample. What is his phone number? What is his phone number? In response, changing the question word, we have his phone number is what? His phone number is what? Giving us 他的电话号码是多少？他的电话号码是多少？ What is his phone number? So you can use any other form to respond to that by saying his phone number is 他的电话号码是他的电话号码是 any number you want to talk about. Then another commonly asked question with mobile numbers is, do you know his phone number? Do you know his phone number? Now, asking the question, we have 你知道 你知道 do you know 他的电话号码吗？你知道他的电话号码吗？ Or you can change the question this way. 你知道他的手机号码吗？你知道他的手机号码吗？ Do you know his phone number or do you know his mobile number? 手机 is the phone, mobile phone is 手机. When we want to talk about phone in Chinese is called 手机. So you can turn the question by, do you know his phone number or do you know his mobile number, which is 你知道他的电话号码吗？ or 你知道他的手机号码吗？ In response, I know his phone number. I know his phone number. It's very simple. You can say 我知道他的电话号码。我知道他的电话号码。For example, let me say I know his phone number. His phone number is. I know his phone number. His phone number is. I will say 我知道 I know 他的电话号码是234-814-22693. Then what if you don't know the person's phone number? You can say 我不知道我不知道 That is, you only need to add the negative prefix, which is 不我不知道他的电话号码。Now let's repeat this conversation and you try to see if you understand everything we're going to talk about. So we have 你知道他的电话号码吗？我知道他的电话号码是 or 我不知道他的电话号码. Very simple, as easy as ABCD. Today, we've been able to learn how to ask and say about mobile numbers in Chinese language. We've learned that for you to ask about someone's mobile number, you can ask 你的电话号码是多少? Or you want to ask his phone number, you can say 他的电话号码是多少? So we've learned all these things and also learn more of the numbers, which discuss that E is no longer called E while talking about mobile numbers, but we should use Yao to talk about them. Please, if you're new in this channel, kindly subscribe, like, share. Remember to turn on your notification bell for more video updates. See you next time on the next video course. Goodbye. 再见.